I'm going to continue on now, changing the graph in certain aspects to make it look better. I think this graph is a little bit bland. I'd like the fonts to be a little larger, and I'd like the axes to be stronger, but the grid lines to be very, very faint, because I don't like the grid lines as much. So let's double click on the x-axis to start with, and you can see we can change quite a few things about the x-axis. Change the font, ticks, etc. So let's start with the font. This will take a little while to work out what's going on. Not too long. It's currently font size 10, which is not very big. I'd like to make that 14. I think actually 12. Okay, so that's a bit bigger, which is nicer. Now when I make it smaller, it's quite easy to read. Now we need to change this font as well to match that. Good. This is pretty good, I think. Might make it a little larger. So font size 12. Okay. So the fonts are a bit bigger now. I'd also like to change the axis itself, the line, to be black. So I've gone to line, chosen the color, and press black. So now this line here is quite dark. This one's not, so I'll change that as well. I'll go to line and choose black. So now the lines are nice and black, but I don't like these heavy grid lines. I'm going to change them to be very faint. So I'm going to choose a light blue. And so now they're still there, but they're very faint. And your eye is focusing more on the bars themselves. Now I'll also change the color of the bars. I'll choose the fill of the bar, and I'll change it to a nice, strong, dark blue, like that. Okay, so this is a small set of changes to the graph to make it quite easy to read in terms of the fonts, and to make the colors nice and strong.